was your favorite part? What was your favorite part, Ella?
Was it being on the hayride?
Did you like the tractor? Yeah?
Tractor.
And what was your favorite part, Hunter?
Riding a tractor.
Yeah. And we got a Christmas tree, didn't we? Yeah. Yeah?
You want to do that game?
Papa Jeff wants to blow your nose.
Watch out.
Okay. Go on it. Nice! Nice!
Yeah! You said I did a fucking way. Yay, Daddy!
Yeah.
I'm going to try that again. Oh, watch out! Ella! Ella!
Watch out, Ella. You're going to get hit. Step back. Whoa! Good shot, Hunter. Chocolate right off the table. We're going to see how many we can get on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Tiger got the only one. Good job. Oh my goodness, this is touchy. Good. Oh, wait, no, not good.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I have the crown. I have 3 batteries left.
Keep filming, come on. Here's the camera, you got to shut off the camera.
Oh. Yeah. It's almost Christmas and they're breaking it up. How? What?
What do we have to do with it now?
Tie it on.
That's right.
And we need, and all 3 of us need to go inside and pull it up.
That's right. I think we need to do that. Come up there and pull it up. We're both going to pull it up. Do you want to sit down here and be the cameraman so you can film it?
Yeah.
Good. Here we go. We got to lift the Christmas tree up here because it's too wide and we don't want to scratch up the hallways.
No.
That's right.
How are we going to get it up?
So I think me and Papa Jeff each get a side or something.
All right.
We're going to pull it over.
All right. You're just crouching it around.
That's right. Hey, you filming?
It's an upside down tree.
Yeah. All right. We're going upstairs to film the Christmas. I want to film it upstairs. All right. Wait. Somebody called. Coming right up.
All right. You pointing that thing the right way? Is that back in there? Or in there? That's good.
Yeah.
Perfect. Here we are.
Hi, Nana.
Going good?
Ah,
Thanks.
that is a big tree. Do we have one that goes underneath it? Like a maybe put a towel underneath it? Or...
Becky, go get a seat.
Oh, that's too small.
A sheet.
Let's see. That's a black sheep.
Yeah, black.
I've got a skirt
Hey.
that goes around it. So
Yeah.
put
That
a
is
towel
black
on it
sheep.
just for safety.
Yeah. Did you grab a towel?
go up top.
What?
There. Good. Now this one here, Hunter. This one's not heavy. Maybe put one of these.
I love you, Dad.
Oh, I love you
Look
too,
at
buddy.
this one.
I love you too. Here. One, and that's